Hey guys, can you solve 3 plus 9 divided by 3 times 2 squared? 3 plus 9 equals 12 divided by 3 times 2 squared. Now 12 divided by 3 equals 4 times 2 squared, and 4 times 2 squared, 2 times 2 equals 4, right? And 4 times 4 equals 16. This gives us 16, but this is wrong. Multiplication and division from left to right, but exponents come before multiplication and division, right? Now let's solve it correctly. 3 plus 9 divided by 3 times 2 squared, 2 times 2 equals 4, right? Now division first. 3 plus 9 divided by 3 equals 3, right? Times 4. Now multiply first. 3 plus 3 times 4 equals 12, and 3 plus 12 equals 15.